Welcome back to all my dear students. Myself Hitesh Patel from Love School of Science. Today we are going to discuss the most important point, that is a periodic table. Here you have to remember all the elements, 118 elements which are arranged in the periodic table. It is also named just like a Mendeleev periodic table. But how they can arrange the 118 elements in this different groups and different periods? That is the most important thing is that, and you have to remember each and every elements and their atomic number, because according to the Mendeleev, he says that the elements is the periodic function of their atomic number, right? So it depends upon their atomic number. So how you can remember the atomic number? So here there is no need to mug up all these things. There is a technique to remember which elements are present in the different groups, right? इसको मग अप नहीं करना है, हमको उसके रिलेटेड टेक्निक याद रखनी है. As for example, just like अगर आप जब स्कूल में पढ़ते थे, तो अगर आपके पेरेंट्स आपको समझाते थे उस टाइम पे कि कोई आपसे पूछे कि जनवरी में कितने दिन होते, तो आप क्या करते? इसमें काउंट करते कि जनवरी में 31 डेज, देन फरवरी 28, देन मार्च 31, देन अप्रैल 30, मई 31, जून 30, जुलाई 31, अगस्त 31, सितंबर 30, अक्टूबर 31, November 30 and December 31. So this is how you calculate it. This is one type of technique, mnemonics, to remember how many number of days are there in the particular month. Understand? So it's easy way to understand, to remember that in the March, in the April, let us suppose in the March, then 31 days is there. So you can count this way. Second example, if I give that in the 10th standard, you heard the name that is a pi. Now what is pi? What is the value of pi? You all know that 22 by 7, right? So you can also write down here it is a 3.14. Okay. Now if I ask the question, अगर मैं आपको ऐसा पूछूं कि पॉइंट के बाद 7 डिजिट आपको लिखने के, तो you have to mark up that 7 digit, but it's very difficult to mark up. So there is a technique to remember the 7 digit, just like see here, May I have a large container of coffee. Now see, May means कितने digit character 1, 2 and 3. So here 3, then 1, then 4, then here 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 2, and then 3 and 3, 6, right? So write down 3.14. 1, 5, 9, 2, 6. Okay. So after point, there is a, how many digit is there? 7 digit. So this is how you have to remember the different things. Understand? So these things, how to remember the periodic table, the elements which are present in the different groups and period, that we are going to discuss. This is the most important thing according to the JEE and NEET related, right? Many questions will be asked, but first of all, that you have to know that what is the atomic number of that particular element. So how to remember? Let us see. Now, here Mendeleev arranged how many elements? 118 elements in how many periods are there and how many groups are there. First thing that you have to know. How many periods? See, what is period and what is group? Period means we can say that this horizontal row, that is called what? Period. What? Period. So let us suppose if I write down here period. So this is period number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6 and then 7. So how many periods are there? 7 periods. कितने period है? 7. Why? Because horizontal row, that is called the period, and vertical column, that is called what? Group. Understand? That is called group. Vertical column means how many vertical columns are there? See here, 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. So how many groups are there? 18. So one thing is clear, that when the Mendeleev arranged the 118 elements in the periodic table, they arranged it in 7 periods and 18 group. Right? क्या बोला कि मेंडलीफ ने जो 118 एलिमेंट पीरियोडिक टेबल में जो अरेंज किए वो कितने पीरियड में? तो 7 पीरियड में और 18 ग्रुप में. Understand? Now let us see. The first thing that you have to remember the logic word, that is here in the first period how many element is there? Hydrogen and helium, right? So how many element is there? 2. In second period how many? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So how many element is there in the second period? 8. Same way in the third also 8. Fourth 18. Fifth 18 and 6 32. See here 32 how? 1 2 3 57 then 58. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Then 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 and 32. So how many elements are there in the period number 6? 32. So these things you have to remember, that 2 8 8 18 18 32. Understand? In the first period if somebody asks the question कि पहले पीरियड में कितने एलिमेंट है, तो 2. दूसरे पीरियड में तो 8, तीसरे में 8, फोर्थ में 18, फिफ्थ में 18, सिक्स्थ में 32 और 7 is a incomplete. Understand? So 2 8 8 18 18 32. Understand? This logic you have to remember. Okay? Now how to remember the different element which are present in the different group? See here first thing, that when this Mendeleev arranged the element, then they classify the periodic table in 4 different groups. Once again I tell you that they classify the periodic table in 4 different groups or 4 different blocks. We can say it as this group number 1 and 2, that is called S block element. Which? S block. Understand? Then group number 13 to 18, that is a P block element. Remember? Right? Then group number 3 to 12, that is called the D block element. Understand? And last one, lanthanoid and actinoid series, that is called F block element. Understand? So all these 118 elements are arranged in the 4 different blocks. So somebody asked the question कि यहाँ पे कितने ब्लॉक में पीरियोडिक टेबल क्लासिफाई किया गया है? तो 4, S, P, D and F. Group number 1 and 2, that is called S block, right? Group number 13 to 18, all this element belongs to P block. Group number 3 to 12, all this element belongs to D block. And in the F block, there is a lanthanoid and actinoid series, right? So all these things you have to remember. Okay? Now how to remember the element which are present in the different groups? So let us see. अगर ये एलिमेंट को आपको याद रखना है तो कैसे याद रखें? देखो पहले ग्रुप नंबर 1, we can say it's an alkali metal. Okay? तो यहाँ पे लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम एंड फ्रेंशियम. ली ना की रब से फरियाद. फिर से एक बार बोलता हूं, ली ना की रब से फरियाद. ली ना की रब से फरियाद. राइट? सेकेंड ब्लॉक और सेकेंड ग्रुप में बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रोंशियम, बेरियम एंड रेडियम. इसको कैसे याद किया जा सकता है? बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर, बाप राजी. लिख दो, बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर, बाप राजी. राइट? ओके, क्लियर? तो ये एस ब्लॉक हो गया. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट पी ब्लॉक. ग्रुप नंबर 13 में बोरॉन, एल्यूमिनियम, गैलियम, इंडियम एंड थैलियम. So how you can रिमेंबर, बैंगन, आलू, गाजर इन थैला। फिर से एक बार, बैंगन, आलू, गाजर इन थैला, राइट। देन ग्रुप नंबर 14, कार्बन, सिलिकॉन, जर्मेनियम, टीन एंड लेड, राइट। सो काशी गए सन कब, काशी गए सन कब। फिर से एक बार, काशी गए सन कब। ओके, नाउ ग्रुप नंबर 15, नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस, आर्सेनिक, एंटीमनी एंड बिस्मथ। से नाना पाटेकर, ऐश्वर्या सब बिंदास, राइट। फिर से नाना पाटेकर, ऐश्वर्या सब बिंदास। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, ऑक्सीजन, सल्फर, सेलेनियम, टेलुरियम, पोलोनियम। ओ स्टाइल से टीपो, ओ स्टाइल से टीपो। ओके, ओ स्टाइल से टीपो। ओके, नाउ ग्रुप नंबर 17, हेलोजन, फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन, एस्टेटिन। फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी, फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी। ओके, group number 18, that is a inner gas, right? So helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, so हीना, नीना और करीना का एक्सरे रंगीन, हीना, नीना और करीना का एक्सरे रंगीन। ओके, हो गया। Now whenever you are going to remember the D block, then vertically you have to remember it. See, S and P, that is a horizontal, and D and F, that is a vertical. Okay, so let us see here. Here ST वडोदरा कॉर्पोरेशन में फैकोनी कुंज। फिर से एक बार, ST वडोदरा कॉर्पोरेशन में फैकोनी कुंज। अंडरस्टैंड? फिर से एक बार, ST वडोदरा कॉर्पोरेशन में फैकोनी कुंज। ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट, या जरूर नोबेल मोदी ने મળશે ટેકનિકમાં રહ્યું છે રહસ્ય, પદ્માવતી HCD। या जरूर नोबेल मोदी ने મળશે ટેકનિકમાં રહ્યું છે રહસ્ય, पद्मावती HCD। अंडरस्टैंड? लास्ट वन, ला हफ्ता वाले रे, उससे इरफान, हफ्ता ले, ला हफ्ता वाले रे, उससे इरफान, हफ्ता ले, हफ्ता में શું લેવાનું? પ્લેટિનિયમ, એ ના આપે તો ગોલ્ડ અને એ ના આપે તો મર્ક્યુરી। અંડરસ્ટેન્ડ? ખબર પડી ગયા? આ બધા એલિમેન્ટ કયા હતા બેટા? ડી બ્લોક એલિમેન્ટ। અંડરસ્ટેન્ડ? નાउ લેટ્સ सी द ब्लॉक एलिमेंट। लेस पर नडियाद, PMSM युगांडा, तब दियो हो यर तुम यबलू। फिर से एक बार, लेस पर नडियाद, PMSM युगांडा, युगांडा, तब दियो हो यर तुम यबलू। Understand? And last one, that is a here, AC थी पारो, यू न पूछ, यू न पूछ, AMCM बैंक काफे, SFM मोदी नोला। AC थी पारो, यू न पूछ, AMCM बैंक काफे, SFM मोदी नोला। Understand? So this is how you have to remember each and every elements which are present in the different groups and periods, right? How it will be classified in the four different blocks. Which are they? S block, P block, D block and F block. S block means group number 1 and group number 2. P block means group number 13 to 18. D block means group number 3 to group number 12. And F block means lanthanoid and actinoid series. Understand? So first of all, read it. Okay. Now here we can say that in 11th standard and in the 12th standard you are going to study the S block element, then P block element part 1, then P block element part 2, and last in the 4th sem that D and F block element, right? So in all the semester we are going to discuss about all those elements, their properties, their characteristics, their chemical reaction, right? All these things we are going to discuss in this all the 4 sem. Understand how they can prepare, okay, in the laboratory as well as in the industrial preparation. Okay. Now here first of all we can say that which elements are liquid, which elements are solid, and which elements are of gas. As you all know that in the periodic table only 2 elements are in the form of liquid. See, one is a mercury and second one is a bromine. Most important thing that we have to remember, only 2 एलिमेंट ऐसे हैं कि जो लिक्विड स्टेट में है, कौन से? मर्क्यूरी एंड ब्रोमीन, राइट? रेस्ट ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट, दिस आर ऑल आर मेटल. That's why we can say it is in the form of solid. But which one is a gas? See, one is a hydrogen, then nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, then iodine, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and all this will be in the form of gas. Understand? And the rest of the elements are in the form of solid. Why? Because all those elements are metal, and metal is in the form of solid. Understand? Now, second thing that you have to remember that in the p block element, see, in the p block element, 3 different types of elements are present. Either it is a metal, non-metal, and semi-metal. Right? Now, here we can say that this boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, tin, tellurium, polonium, and arsenic. All this we can say it as a semi-metal, or you can say semiconductor. Means what? That whenever you want to prepare any electronic appliances, just like IC, integrated circuit, then it will be prepared with the help of this semiconductor. The whole chapter will be there in the physics. Okay. So all these elements are semiconductors. See, here this aluminium, gallium, indium, tin, helium, all these are the metal and all these are the non-metal. Understand? So we can say that in the p block element, here the metal is there, the non-metal is also there, and the semi-metal is also present. Understand? Is it clear? Metal is a good conductor, then non-metal is a bad conductor of electricity, and we can say that semi-metal at a normal temperature it is a bad conductor, but when you increase the temperature it is a good conductor of electricity. Understand? So all these things you have to remember. But here we also say that the most important thing that we are going to discuss, that is a p block element, right? The elements, their physical properties, their chemical reaction, their compound, right? All these things we are going to discuss. Okay. So first of all, you have to remember the element which belongs to p block. Okay. See. Now, if somebody asks you that what is the atomic number of arsenic, so you all know that arsenic is comes on the after phosphorus. So what is the atomic number of phosphorus? 15. You know. So when you know this 15, then you have to add how much? 18. So 15 plus 18, that is a 33. Understand? So only the things that you have to remember, that you have to add this number. 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. For example, helium. हीलियम का कितना है? 2 है, तो इसमें 8 ऐड करो तो कितना आएगा? 10. 8 में यहाँ पे भी 8, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. यहाँ पे देखो 8 ऐड किया, नाउ 18 ऐड किया और 32 ऐड किया, तो कितना आया? 86. So this is how you have to remember the atomic number of different elements. Understand? Say it. Okay, so this is how you have to remember the periodic table, right? How many elements are there? 118. Arranged in the how many blocks? 4, S, P, D, F. How many group? 18. How many period? 7. First period, how many element? 2. Second, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. And this is how you have to remember which one is a metal, which is a non-metal, then semi-metal, then which element is solid, then liquid, then gas. Okay. So here we complete this topic, and this is how you have to remember the periodic table. Okay. So now you first of all try yourself and write down the technique to remember each and every group element which are present in the each and every group as well as in the period. First of all, write down the technique, and then after draw the periodic table and write each and the symbols of each and every element yourself, and then after write down the atomic number. Okay, so it is better for you. See, it is a little bit complicated, but once you know it, so it's very easy, and this things is very helpful for you in 11 as well as in the 12 as well as in JEE and NEET exam. Okay, so up to here enough. Okay, thank you very much.